Okay, you are welcome back. I'm Idayat Ojetunde. This is the second part of the video that we saw how to design like a professional graphic designer. If you look at this icon, that is the icon of product marketing ad maker. That is the icon. Let's click on it to take us to the interface where you can design. Okay, this is the interface. We have a lot of template that we can use. We can change the text and the picture. Let's click on category up. We have categories of products ranging from food products, fashion, and the rest. We also have a digital marketing. So when you click on it, you will see all the template that falls under each category of products. Here, let me click on food and okay. Under food, see what we have. We can change whatever we want to change. Let's go back. Okay, when you look up here, you will see create your own. Create your own. What's the purpose of this create your own? Is if you want to start from the scratch, you don't want to use templates. That is when you see it. You can design for for Facebook, for Instagram, and the rest. Where we have 9x16 and 3x4, these ones. That is if you don't want to use any of social media, you can click on any one of them and start your design from the scratch. If you look here very well, you can see text under. If you look at the key under, you see add text, add image. Add images when you want to choose any image that is already inside your gallery. That is what you click on. You can see background, we see graphic, and we see shapes. Let's try all this one. So let's start from background. Okay, this is background. You can choose any of these. Background. You can customize that. If you want to create your color, your product color, you don't want to choose from the templates, so you can choose. Okay, now let me choose what is already here. I wish to choose orange. Yes, under this orange, you can click on text to type whatever you want. Let's see what I want to want is for. I want to design for a restaurant. Okay, and the name of the restaurant is this. All right. Okay, this is the name of the restaurant. The next thing is to click on the mark here. Okay, let's click on it to take us to where we are having our design. When you look at this interface, what we type has come. You can change the fonts. To change the color of the background. I'm trying to avoid making this video to be longer than expected. You can change the fonts. You can change the color. Yes. Okay, I want to change the fonts. Yes, I've changed the font. You can drag it to wherever you want it. This one here. Okay, this one here, this key is to minimize or maximize, while this one is to position your text or image, while this one is cancel. If you are not satisfied, you can cancel the whatever you have changed you have made to the design. So that is on that. So let's position it. I want it this way. Okay, so if you look down, you can see size. That is, if you want to size this is what you use. You see edit. Anytime you want to write something, you click on edit. You see style, opacity, and the rest. So the next thing to do is I will tap on empty space to make this box here, to make this box disappear. Anytime this box where the text is, I want to make it. Anytime you want to make another change, you have to tap on empty space so that this thing will not disappear. Okay, that is that. Another thing I need to do is let me click on shape. shape to bring in any shape. You have different kind of shape up here, but where I'm going is basic. All right, so I would like to choose any one of this one and give it background. I like this color. I like this color. I want to give it background. Let me give it background. Okay, I think this white is okay. It's okay. Let me position it as I want it to be. All right, let me position it. Yes, I'll position it. This is the way I want it to be. Okay, after that, I still want to go back to graphics to pick certain things that I may need. So here I need food and drink because I'm designing for a restaurant. Let me go and food and drink. You can see it here up there. Okay. All right. You have a lot of food to pick. So not to waste our time, just let us pick one or two and put it wherever you want to put it. Unless you want to put it, you can minimize. Okay, I wish to add text to this blank space. I want to add text. So what do? I click this key here. That is edit. I click it. The text I want there is okay. All right. Okay, let me click on text. Okay, it brought us in, and then menu list. All right, I bring it here, change the font and change the color. Let me change the color to this and change the font to this. All right, that is okay. Another important thing is you may wish to, we need to go back to where we are graphics to pick model. Okay, look up and search for, yes, we have male model and we have female model. Let me click female model and look for any image that relates to food. Let's click on any image that relates to food here. So I will advise you here to pick an African person because of this thing, believing that most of our prospects, most of them might likely be a black person, and to portray where we are from, let's pick a dark-skinned person, not a white person. So because most of our yes, let's have it here. So whatever text you want to put, you place it here. Whatever text you want to put it here. Now let me explain what we are having here. Okay, let me explain what we are having here. Okay, this key here, this key is down below. This key is below. This one is, anytime you pick any icon that is small, that is giving you a headache, you can use it to bring it to the right. This one, bring it to the left. This one, bring it down. This one, bring the image or the text up. This one is to add text, while this one is eraser. That is, if you want to change background of any picture, maybe the picture you brought from the gallery, you can use it to change background. So you can use it to change background. Look here, we have crop here. We have crop. This is crop here. This is crop. What's the purpose of crop? The purpose of crop is to give frame to your picture. Let's say you want to use your own picture, or you want to use a picture that someone give you to design. So you can use crop to give it a beautiful frame. Okay. Another thing I need to explain here is this icon up here. This particular one is to duplicate. Let me click on it to show us how it works. If it is letter you want to duplicate, you click on the letter. If it is an image you want to duplicate, you click on it. Okay, now let me duplicate this image here. Okay, you can see that we have two. Now that's the purpose of that. Why this one here, if you click on this one, you will not be able to move your text, or you will not be able to move your text or image they are going to be static, they are going to stable one place. So if you are try to drag something, you see that it is, you are unable to do so, make sure you look at whether the padlock is locked. So when it is locked, just click on it to open. That is that. When you mistakenly, the purpose of this one, this undo, when you mistakenly click on cancel unknowingly by accident, when you click on this one, it will come back. So let me test that. Okay, let's say I mistakenly cancel this. So I'll just go back and press. Well, I think we have it back. That is the work of that. I'm trying to make this class not to be too long. Another important thing we need to notice is when you go to graphics, there are many things that you can. When you go to graphics, you scroll down to where you have scroll to the left side and look for where we have social media icon. Okay, this is our social media icon. Yes. Okay, you can see we have a lot of icon, Facebook icon, YouTube, Twitter, and the rest we have. So you just pick any of the icon that you want here. Okay, let me pick WhatsApp. You bring it down to wherever you want to use it, minimize it, bring it down to wherever you want to use it. Yes, and let me add text, that is the number. Let me add text to that. When you are writing your phone number, ensure that you put your country code. This is because you may have a foreigner who may have interest in what you are doing. So if you don't put your country code, it might be difficult for the person to contact you. And as you are put plus, let mark it. Okay, let drag it to where we want it, change color, and change fonts to whatever you want. Change color, change font, and bring it to where you want it. If it is Facebook, you do the same thing. Another important thing here is let's go to tests on your phone. We can, apart from what you have on the app, on the ad maker, so you can still pick some things from your phone. When you look down, you will see emoji head. So let's click on that emoji head. You can also pick all these things for your design. For instance, this is a phone. This thing, if you look up, it has appear. This is Nigerian flag. If you look up, it has appear. Anything you want here, you can also pick. You can pick whatever you want here. You can pick it and use as well. There was a time I designed a tailor flyer. So I pick wood here. I pick it here, and the thing was perfect. So that is about that. I don't need this one, so I don't need it. Then just to show you, I think we have our phone here. You can bring it to wherever you want it. So that is that. So I don't want to waste our time. I don't want this thing to be too long. When you come to your ad maker, you can explore. So the thing, explore whatever you see that it's very easy to delete. So now to save this design, you click on save by the top right. Click on save. Let's tap save. Here we have original. You have it. That is the one we are designing. That is the capacity. That is how bright it is. So you may decide to use the second one, which is HD. So when you click on it, it will be brighter. To give a brighter effect. Okay. Okay, it has brought us to where to save. All this icon down here means that where you can share this one. This is if you want to print it out. that is where to print it out. Why this one is mean more? If you click on it, we see many other places where you can share it to. Let's click on it to see. I think you have seen many other places where we can share it to. So I don't want to share it. I just want it to be on my phone. If you want it to be on your phone, click on this house here. It will save here on the application. It will also save in your gallery. If you forget to click that house, it may not save. You may need to start all over again. So let's click on that house to have it save. Okay, how do you accept what you have designed? Look up and see my design. All what you have designed are there. Let's tap on my design. This is the one I just designed now. This is the final I designed before now. I think you have seen. Okay, I think you have seen how beautiful they are. These are all the ones I have designed. The one I designed for Taylor. Okay, this is my flyer. I think you have seen. So there's no limit to what you can use this application to design. There's no limit. So thank you very much. Thank you for your patience. Thank you so much. Love you.